How to turn off location without someone knowing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and now scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option you see there. Further, tap on the location services option and simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for location services completely and then tap on the turn off option. Or you can also simply tap on the find my option you see there and then set it to never. Additionally, go ahead and open the Find My application on your device and then tap on the Me option on the bottom right. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Share My Location, and with this, no one will be able to see your location. So this was about how you can turn off location without someone knowing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.